Guys, welcome back. Today I will be showing you guys how to create a neutral pink shimmer smoky eye. Now before this video does start, I'm going to let you guys know there are definitely a lot of mistakes and setbacks made in this tutorial, as you will see later on as you're watching it. I'm just letting you guys know mistakes do happen and you just have to work with it. But besides that, stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So these are the products and brushes used in this video. I will be showing you guys the shade colors as we go along in this tutorial. As for everything else, it should obviously look similar to all the other videos I've done: eyeliner, mascara, etc. The brushes are the same as usual. And now let's get into this video. Okay, so I am going in with a brown transition shade. I always go in with browns because it always seems to work with almost any color scheme I use for my eyes. So I'm going in with a brown color for my transition shade using the Sephora brush instead of my regular iBeauty transition shade brush, and that's because the Sephora brush tends to pick up the pigment a bit better than my normal transition shade brush. So I'm just using this brush instead and going in with windshield wiper motions to thoroughly blend in the shade. Just cleaning the brush off, making sure there aren't any brown pigment left on it, and I am then dipping into this light matte pink shade and applying that onto the lid. At first you cannot see it, which gets me frustrated at a certain point, but I am basically packing the shade on, making sure that it is lightly visible because we are doing a shimmer smoky eye, and therefore I just want it to be a little visible, not too much. So I'm just making sure and packing it fully on. Okay, so after minutes and countless minutes of blending out this brown shade on the outer edge, I finally got it to a desirable point, and now I'm adding on this light pink shimmer shade on the middle of my lid in between the dark brown and pink shade, and I am making sure that it is up to the crease, transitioning in with the transition shade, the pink shade, and the now dark brown shade on the outer edge and making sure everything is perfectly blended and transitioning smoothly. I'm also showing you most of it on the other eye because I do that off camera simultaneously after pausing the video and coming back. In between those takes, I am doing it on the other eye. Now I'm just adding a shimmer shade for the highlighter of my inner corner, and that one is, I believe, a white silvery color. I will be putting up a picture anyway after this tutorial is done to give you a more better detail. Okay, so I put on my eyeliner, curled my lashes, and this is the final look, guys. This is the neutral pink shimmer smoky eye. There will be pictures next after I'm done showing you how it looks on video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, let me know in the comment section, give it a thumbs up. If you want to know more about the products used, check out the description box below. I hope to see you guys on the next video, so stay tuned and see you soon. Bye! Baby, I just want you to say